Santos here, apotentials.com, signing at our channel. So let's continue studying the book of John Gray. What your mother couldn't tell you and your father didn't know. So ano ba yung next story natin? Today's story is how to get more in your relationship. The secret of getting more from a man is to appreciate what he's already giving and then ask for a more in small increments. So friend, we have been talking about when it's safe to ask, ripples of love, in our previous vlog. So sometimes we tend to ask for more and more every day, but at kaya hindi din natin nakukuha, have to ask. Baka naman sabi dito, we have to appreciate what he is already giving and then ask for more in small increments. So wag naman tayong masyadong garapal ba yan or rude na parang everything is we ask for more every day. So sabi nga is, let's appreciate our partner, our boss, our children, before asking for more. Parang they will only give back if tayo din is magbibigay din tayo ng our share. So, sinasabi dito ni John Gray is we have to appreciate our partners so that they will be motivated to give more. So, sabi nga, yung example niya si Roger and si Georgia. So, yung yung challenge ni Roger is yung ina-ask si Georgia to help her to throw the trash sa bahay. So, si Roger was executive in a clothing company. So, parang isipin mo, what do they do that? Diba? Or kasi sa America, diba, they don't have mga house helps eh. Pero Georgia appreciates when Roger throws the trash or helps in the housework. So, parang yun, when he does that, Georgia is happy. So, na-encourage si Roger to do that. And both are happy, So then yung next naman challenge how to get more. So yung next challenge si Georgia to Roger is washing her car. Kasi nung nagliligo pa siya, nag-wash siya ng car. So eventually trinay din niya ni Roger to wash her car. So masaya rin si Georgia, naging masaya. So when a woman asks how to get their partners to do more, I suggest that if they start things he did while courting her, there are easiest things for him to learn since he once did them. So, kasi nung naliligaw pa si Roger kay Georgia, nag-wash siya ng car niya. So, eventually, napagawa niya yun when they were married already. So, sabi ni John Gray, is write a list of 10 things you'd like your mate to do more. Then, pick up what you like to be the easiest thing for him to do. So, first work on assisting a man is being good listener before focusing on other requests. So, matuto daw tayong makinig, maging good listener before asking for more. So, you have to fair share, diba? In order to get what we want, we have to give also appreciation, listening to our partners. So, yan. Be a good listener. A woman's first work on assisting a man in building is in being a good listener before focusing on other requests. So, yan. Hindi lang tayo hingi ng hingi. We have to do our share of listening and supporting our mate or our spouse, our children, our boss, our friends. Stay safe, everyone. God bless you all. Thank you for watching. See you in our next video.